Hey, what's going on, guys? Jermaine Coppins here. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how you can basically make more money magically appear in your life. All right. So look, if you want to increase your income, increase your net worth, just have overall abundance, stay tuned. All right. Hey guys, what's going on? So Jermaine Coppins here, guys, online and network marketer. I'm also a performance coach, guys. And in this video, I want to talk about how to increase your income, like how to make more money magically appear in your life. All right. So first thing first, guys, I really had a hard time doing this video today. Okay. Just yesterday, received the news of the death of Kobe Bryant in a tragic accident, guys. And you know, for myself, I'm currently 36 at the time of this video, and you know, Kobe, you know, Allen Iverson, you know, these were some of the guys that I, you know, looked up to when I was actually coming up. You know, I played basketball myself, and just to hear this horrific, you know, incident, it just tore me apart, guys. Like, I could not get on social media yesterday at all because everything was just, you know, Kobe, and it was just a very, very, you know, touching day, right? But all in all, guys, I wasn't gonna do this video, but I was like, you know what? It's not about me. So I really, you know, appreciate you guys actually watching this video. I'm gonna do my best to deliver the content at hand with the energy, and you know, as always, guys, look, if this is your first time to my video, you know, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys are notified each and every time that I shoot a video. I try to drop a video each and every week, all right? And you know, it's from you, right? Let me know in the comments, right? Something, you know, your biggest takeaway, question that you may have around marketing online, you know, mindset, you know, just overall better performance. And I do my best to record a video, you know, to, you know, basically help you out. All right. So here's the deal. We're going to talk about how to make more money magically appear in your life. All right. Now, I know maybe some of you guys don't believe in magic, and that's okay. All right. However, if you don't believe in magic, it's gonna make it a little bit harder to magically make something appear, right? Now, I'm not talking about your David Copperfield type magic, right? However, you know, even with law of attraction and manifestation, like a lot of these things they're fluff to most people. And more than likely, you know, if I'm talking about these type things, you are in tune with those things, right? Because you're watching this video, and I mentioned that most people click away. But since you're still watching, then that means there's a bit of hope that either, you know, you are currently someone that believes in manifestation, law of attraction, or you're someone that's open to, like, you know what, let me just try this out, all right? But let me know in the comments below. Put in the comments below law of attraction if you believe in, you know, the law of attraction and manifestation, right? So I want to share with you guys three simple things to help you to increase your income, how to make more money in your life, how to just have more abundance, right? Now, I do know from the people watching this video that, like, more than likely you're not massively successful, right? You're not probably even making six figures. And if you are making six figures, like, that's dope. Like, I appreciate you watching me, right? However, most people that you know, that in my audience at the time of this video are not six-figure earners, all right? But the idea is, it starts with just understanding that, first of all, money is currency, it's flow, it's always moving. So the idea is you want to figure out how to attract that money to you. And I've learned, before we get into the content, that most people, they block the flow of money, because money is a currency, it's a flow, it's a cycle, it's an energy. But what we do mentally, we actually stop that flow, right? And we stop that flow with, you know, the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is our language, okay? The very first thing in order to increase your income and to make more money magically appear in your life is your language. You have to change your language about money, okay? Personally, guys, I was someone that was raised in poverty. Money was very little. And my money language was, it just wasn't in sync. It didn't serve me. understand that it's all energy based, and you got to think about a relationship, right? Let's say you was in a relationship, and let's say you made the statement of being in a relationship is the root of all evil, right? Or relationships don't make you happy. If you talk that way about relationships, if you were happen to be in a relationship, your partner will soon, more than likely, leave you because it's like you're downplaying them. Well, I was raised to think that, well, money doesn't make you happy. Money is the root of all evil. Rich people were bad people, right? I had a negative association. And I bought into this. I bought into this, guys, and what it done, it planted negative seeds, and I talk negative about money, right? As soon as I get it, it's gone. Like if it ain't one thing, it's another. I'm broke. All of these sayings is your language. And I look at it as money hears that. So money is not going to come to someone that doesn't believe that, not so much is going to make them happy, but it's like, if you feel that something is evil, then you're not going to attract good things to an evil heart. Does that make sense? So understanding that your language, guys, like you really have to start understanding that your flow of money is in direct correlation of your language, and your language is in direct correlation of the way that you're thinking, right? So it's like, where are you getting this information from? And typically it's from your environment, maybe parents, maybe peers. We wasn't taught money in school. It's just a lot of really, really harsh things when it comes to money, and no sooner we get it, it's gone, and we don't understand that, right? So your language, right? The language about money is it has to change. Okay, it literally has to change. And stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you some of the beginning steps that I took a few years ago to change my mindset about money that really made a difference in my life. All right, so stay around to the end of this video. The second thing is gratitude. This is something that we sleep on. This is something that really should be number one. However, it's just as important as number one. But it's gratitude. In order to get more of something, you have to first be grateful for what you do have. Yes, it's hard to be grateful being broke. It's hard to be grateful for like no money being in your bank account. However, that's the wrong way of looking at things. Be grateful that you have a job. Okay? Be grateful that you have transportation. Be grateful that you have that, 1-bedroom apartment. Be grateful that you're able to eat noodles, right? Find ways to be grateful, right? You have working limbs. Maybe you have vision in both your eyes, right? You have, legs. You have your parents. You have to just find gratitude in your life. Slow your life down. Stop focusing on what you don't have. Stop focusing on your bank account. Well, I'm down to my last, $100 or last $17. Start finding things to be grateful for. And by doing that, you begin to attract more abundance. You begin to attract, like, it's just energy that you begin to feel, because when you feel good, you attract good. But when you just wake up like, man, I gotta pay bills, I gotta do this, and that's a whole other subject. It's like it's almost like you begin to resent waking up. You begin to resent, having that job. Your check is already, spent before you even get it. And I'm telling you guys, this is from personal experiences. I have screenshots, of my bank account just a few years ago where both of my bank accounts was in the negative. Right. This is back when I seen my first business opportunity. I couldn't even make the investment because both of my actual accounts were in the negative. So, and I was working, and I also had a side, little hustle, and I could not keep money. It was really, really tough for me. I couldn't save. I was making good money. It's like something was happening. It's just my language and the way I thought about money and life at that time, it didn't align. And it was really, really, tough for me. And maybe you're in that place, okay? And the third thing is action, okay? You know, I was raised to just pray. Just pray about it, right? Just pray. And after I finished praying, I didn't feel like it would work. I really didn't have enough faith in my prayer because it was like, well, I prayed last week. Well, I prayed last month. I prayed 6 months ago. I prayed last year. Nothing ain't changed, right? You got to think, if you're raised in poverty and you get to age 8 or 10, you still don't have anything. Then you get to age 17, 18, you still, it's like you begin to lose faith in prayer. So you combat that with action. And I know we've all heard the saying that, faith without works is dead. I get it. But what exactly is works? Because we think faith meaning prayer, and then works meaning going to work. We think that, oh, long as we pray and go to work, everything will be okay. No. The third one is action, meaning that action is you have to take a step towards whatever that thing is, right? Most people, not only do they not take the necessary steps, but they don't even know what they're trying to get to. See, it's hard to walk to a destination of unknown. Like imagine going to an airport. For those that fly, imagine going to the airport and say, hey, yes, I would like to get a plane ticket. And they're gonna be like, well, to where? Well, I don't know. It don't matter. I just need a plane ticket. I mean, how does that sound? If you can't go to an airport and just get a plane ticket. Just give me a plane ticket. You need to have a destination. And once you have a destination, then yes, they can give you some type of itinerary on which plane to board to get you to that spot, right? So it's the same thing in your life. Okay, where are you trying to go? For most people, most Americans, they don't even have $1,000 to their name. So what we do is we're like, well, I want to save $1,000. Okay, well, cool. How much do you have right now? Right? Do you have $100? Do you have $200? Right? If you don't have that, then it's cool to have that $1,000 as the ultimate goal. But so you know what? I need to save, $150 or $200 up, and then that's towards that $1,000. Right? You gotta have small steps, and even with that 150 to 200, what are you gonna do to get there? Right? Save the change out of each dollar. $20 per week, $100 out of a month. Like how are you gonna strategically do this? So in order to increase, your income and how to make more money magically appear, you have to first understand, what is your money language? What is your relationship with money? What is your belief around money? Right? The second thing is your gratitude. Are you really grateful for the things that's going on in your life? Are you really grateful for everything? The things that are good and the things that are not so good, right? And the third thing is your action. What action are you taking? And what are those actions leading to? So you may have to start with the end goal before you can start on the action steps, right? And I mean, just let me know, like, does this make sense? Because it's not about what business opportunity and going back to school and, some type of magic pill, right? That's the beginning. And that's the surface of, before getting a mentor and other things that will allow more money to come into your life, right? This is just something that you can do yourself and reevaluate yourself. Say, okay, am I doing at least these 3 things? And if not, then in the actual resources below, guys, there's a short video. All right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right. Don't forget to, subscribe so you guys are notified. But there's a resource in the description below, which is a short video, guys, that I believe is going to help rewire your brain. We talk about your language. Okay. There's a step you need to take before getting your language better. Right? And in this video, it's going to help you to rewire your thinking around money, around abundance, and it's really going to help you to speak better things out of your mouth. More abundance, more prosperity, more happiness, and all in all, guys, it's going to help increase, your income, right? Income doesn't mean that you're just going to come into a lump sum of money. It could be simply getting a raise at your job. It could be, you may have some ideas of, I need to sell some things, get rid of some things. It may be downsizing in your current home, right? It may be downsizing in your lifestyle, whatever the case may be. You begin to think things, but you got to first rewire your brain, and then that goes into your language, your actual gratitude, and the action that you're currently taking. All right. So be sure to check out that video in the comments below. Be sure to let me know what is your biggest takeaway, and let me know like which of these money beliefs that you struggle with most. I'm curious to know. And what I'll do is if one of them I'm getting a lot of, what I'll do, I just do a separate video on how to help you guys to increase that. So be sure to subscribe, guys. I will see you guys on the internet. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.